Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the first of two 50p coins coming out in 2019 for Paddington Bear. The next one that comes out will be Paddington at St Paul's Cathedral, but today we're going to check out Paddington at the Tower of London. And it's the Brilliant Uncirculated edition, and this is how it arrived in the Royal Mint handbag, front and then back. And what I'm going to do now is my usual thing where I open mine up, so that if you've bought this and you don't want to actually open yours, but you want to see all the information inside, then here it is. So that's the front and back again. And I do like the theme on these ones. So what we've got is this fake sort of folder or binder. And if I open it up, I'll do my usual thing now where I scan along. And if I'm moving too quickly for you to read, just pause it and read it at your own pace. Take it back round, and then we just got the back and the front again. So we'll start off there with this information, and have a look at the coin specs. So the denomination, of course, is 50p. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 8 grams. Diameter 27.30 millimeters. The quality is Brilliant Uncirculated. The obverse designer Jody Clark, and then the reverse designer David Napton. So we'll first of all start by checking the obverse of the coin. And there it is, 2019. Jody Clark's portrait of the Queen right there. And as you can tell, great shine on it, Brilliant Uncirculated, always fantastic. Now let's have a look at the reverse of the coin and check out that new Paddington design. And there it is, Paddington at the Tower of London. Now I am hoping that this is the last year that we see the Paddington coins, because of course we had two last year and we've got this one and another coming this year. Just hoping that they don't continue this series in the same way that they did with the Beatrix Potter ones. I'm not too sure whether or not I'm going to get the silver proof on these new Paddingtons, just because there's such a high mintage on them and they're quite expensive at the moment that I feel that if I just wait until the end of the year, I'll probably be able to get them a lot cheaper. But let me know in the comment section below what you think of this coin. Have you got it in the Brilliant Uncirculated pack? Maybe you've gone for the silver proof, or maybe you've even gone for the gold. But let me know in the comment section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching!